we are going to start second chapter of geography of class 6, that is globe, latitudes and longitudes. Now what we are going to study in this chapter is what is a globe, how to locate a place on earth, parallels of latitudes, important parallels of the earth, heat zones of the earth. We will learn about longitudes. With the help of longitudes, how can we calculate time, importance of standard time. The first one is, children, what is a globe? As you have read about globe in earlier classes also, globe is not completely sphere. Sphere is, children, it is not completely round. It is flattened at the north pole and south pole and bulge in the middle. Bulge means that it is little bit spread, फैला हुआ, ऊपर और नीचे से नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल से दबा हुआ होता है और बीच में सेंटर में ये थोड़ा फूला हुआ होता है. Now what is the definition of globe is, it is a true model of the earth. Now children, it can be of many sizes. It can be very big, with which it will be very difficult to carry with. It can be very small, like a pocket size globe that you can keep in your pocket also. It can be like a balloon which you can inflate. कभी भी आप उसको फुला सकते हैं और it will be very handy. आपके लिए लेकर जाना बहुत ही आसान रहेगा. But the globe is not fixed. It can spin. जैसे कि एक लट्टू घूमता है उसी तरीके से, या पॉटर का व्हील घूमता है उसी तरह आप ग्लोब को घुमा सकते हैं. You can rotate it. Now children, what is the use of the globe? What you can see on this? On globe we can see countries, continents and oceans in their correct size. Children, how to find a place on globe? As you know, it is a very difficult task. Earth is so big. The question arises, how can we locate a place on it? Yes children. Now we take some points of references to locate any place. What is this point of reference? We take any important place as point of reference. Suppose your school is near a temple. Then what will you do? You will tell, if you have to tell the way to your school, how you will tell it? You will point out that temple, that my school is near that temple. If your school is near any mall or any famous shop, you can name that my place is, my school is, या my home is near that shop or near that mall. That is called as point of reference. Now children, if you see the globe, you will see that, you will notice that a needle is fixed through the globe in a tilt manner. That is called its axis. It passes from north pole to the south pole. We can this can spin on from this west to east, just as the earth moves. Do you know the direction in which earth moves? The earth moves from west to east. Like that, globe can also be spin or rotated. But children, this needle is suing. It is not fixed. ये needle जो होती है ये fix नहीं होती है, या lines जो आप देखते हैं globe पर वो fix नहीं होती हैं, वो सब imaginary lines है which geographers have drawn just to understand how far a place is from another. कितना दूर एक जगह दूसरी जगह से है, इसको समझने के लिए जियोग्राफर्स ने ये इमेजिनरी लाइंस ड्रॉ करी हैं क्योंकि अर्थ बहुत बड़ी है और इसको नापना बहुत मुश्किल है. The imaginary line running on the globe that divides the earth into two equal halves is called equator. Now children, the northern half of the earth is called northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as southern hemisphere. They are both equal halves. Now equator is an imaginary circular line that is used as an important point of reference to locate the places on the earth. Now you can see in this picture that lines are drawn parallel to the equator. इक्वेटर के पैरेलल कुछ लाइंस ड्रॉ की गई हैं. These lines are known as parallels of latitudes. Now latitudes are measured in degrees. Equator is measured as 0 degree latitudes and 90 latitudes are on the northern side of the equator and 90 latitudes are on the southern side of the equator. Now they all are 180 in number and they are full circles. So all parallels north of the equator are called north latitudes and all parallels south of the equator are called south latitudes. Now children, how to recognize them? If we say anyone lives on 20 degree latitude, to where you will find that? On north side or south side? It will be very difficult if we don't name them. So for the northern latitudes we write down N, we use N, and for southern side we use S. So it will be easy. If we say anyone lives on 20 degree north, then you will see locate that place on the upper side, and if anyone say he lives on 20 degree south, then he will look at the lower side of the latitudes. Now the size of the parallels of latitudes decreases, keep on decreasing as they move towards the poles. जब नॉर्थ पोल की साइड जैसे जैसे जाती जा रही हैं ये लैटिट्यूड्स की लाइंस, उनका साइज़ कम होता जा रहा है. ऐसे ही जब वो साउथ पोल की तरफ आ रही हैं तब भी उनका साइज़ कम हो रहा है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, सम important latitudes. Important parallels of latitudes are, first as I told you, 0 degree equator. Next important parallel of latitude is Tropic of Cancer, that is on 23 degree half north, and Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23 degree half south. Another important latitude is in the northern hemisphere is Arctic Circle, that is marked on 66 degree half north. And another important parallel of latitude is Antarctic Circle, that is marked at 66 degree half south. And 90 degree is in north is North Pole and 90 degrees in south is South Pole. Now we will learn something about the three important heat zones of the earth. Earth is divided into three heat zones. First one is torrid zone. Yes children, it is from Tropic of Cancer up to Tropic of Capricorn. The सन की रेज जो होती हैं वो इस एरिया में, इक्वेटर और उसके आसपास के एरिया में मिड डे के टाइम, दोपहर के टाइम बिल्कुल सीधी पड़ती हैं. दैट इज़ वाई दीज एरियाज रिसीव मैक्सिमम हीट एंड दिस एरिया इज़ द हॉटेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड टॉरिड जोन. Next one is temperate zone. Now from the area from the Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere is called North Temperate Zone, and the area between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle is called South Temperate Zone. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, जब सन की रेज पोल्स की तरफ चलती हैं तब ये स्लैंटिंग हो जाती हैं और सन की हीट थोड़ी कम हो जाती है. इन एरियाज़ तक आते आते सन की हीट थोड़ी कम हो जाती है, जो एटमॉस्फेयर में इसकी हीट थोड़ी एब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है. तो यहाँ तक आते आते इसकी हीट कम हो जाती है, तो ये क्या कहलाता है? टेम्परेट जोन. तीसरा है फ्रीजिड जोन. नाउ फ्रीजिड जोन इज़ द कोल्डेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ. The area between Arctic Circle to North Pole in the northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle to South Pole in the southern hemisphere. This area is called frigid zone.